Hello everybody, here's a little description of Nikon's smz-10 two channels binocular head. We got two separate pairs here. Every pair got its pupillar distance, we can control it. Every head got prismatic system for inclination of image, and now we can see parts this head is made of. So first of all, we got prisms with splitter that splits a pass 50% moves through one direction and another 50% moves directly through this splitting surface, and it moves to the second binocular part. So it's important thing here, Nikon's splitting prisms. We got two of them here, one for each channel, and after that we have ordinary prisms that just incline optical path for 45 degrees with using full internal reflection on this side, and another side is coated with some silver kind thing that makes it 100% reflective. So we have such two prisms for upper binocular. Here we have a mounting part that holds upper prisms, and we got base bed for bottom prisms with a partial reflection with a splitting. And we can see that prisms are held with special tempered metal piece that prevents glass from splitting with a narrow bolt that holds prisms in place. So this I forgot optical part that makes the turns image from the intensity to normal focus distance. Here's those two lenses, and prisms are set at those positions. I'll show to you now how. Wait a moment. Prisms holding blocks are set here. We see little pins. We see space for those pins, and this base with prism holding parts are set that way. Let me set it properly. Here we can use fine adjustment here in two directions, deep and positioning. The same thing happens to those prisms. They're standing here. We need to adjust their position too. I marked initial position here. After that, optical path is split into parts, as I've said already. One part moves from this exit, and it comes to this big inclination unit made with prisms. And after that part, 50% of path continues moving straight ahead. It meets another prism but turned in a bit different direction. Let me show you. Kind like that. So we are having such situation. Bottom prism turns 50% to the right block. After the splitter, left block gets its 50% and it goes at 45 degrees to the left inclination system. And I have to clean it properly and I have to adjust it properly too. So it's very cool thing, because if you compare it to ordinary splitters, we could say we have a binocular system with all time turned, another pair of exits which have 50% of optical amount of optical brightness. So we could say we have very cool splitter here, because we can put here two cameras and have stereo, normal stereo image to make 3D camera or kind like that. So it's much more cool than ordinary splitter that has only one channel used for cameras. So thank you. I'll show it again when it is done, but I need still kind of day or two to make all things proper. And by the way, it's all made with very thick metal, 5-6 millimeters in even more at the base. So it's very heavy thing and very cool too. So thank you for watching. I'll show you when it's done how it works. Bye bye.